In this video, I am spilling the tea on 9 hormone facts that every woman must know for a healthier life. And number 6 may surprise you. Don't miss out on this one. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Renee, and I help women balance their hormones naturally and rewire their brain for better health. Now, before we get into it, just want to remind you that if you enjoy what you learn in today's video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'd really appreciate a thumbs up so I know that you resonate with the content. And make sure you hit that little bell icon to stay updated with my latest content. And before we start going through the facts, one little reminder. The videos on this channel are for informational and educational purposes only. They're not intended to be taken as professional medical advice. While I am a doctor, I'm not your doctor. So do me a huge favor. If you have a medical need or a health concern, please consult your own personal doctor or healthcare practitioner. Okay? With that out of the way, let's get into it. Today, we're diving into what else but the fascinating world of hormones. Now, many women don't know these important facts about their hormones, and it's time to change that because understanding how your hormones work can have a huge impact on your overall well-being. So let's explore the 9 essential hormone facts that every woman must know. Number 1, perimenopause varies widely. Now, perimenopause is that transition phase before menopause, and it can start as early as your mid 30s to late 40s and can last anywhere from a few months to over a decade. Now, the symptoms and duration vary significantly among women, but keep in mind that diet and lifestyle play a huge part in symptom severity. Number 2, estrogen affects more than just your fertility. While estrogen is well known for its role in our reproductive health, it also impacts other things like your bone density, your heart health, your skin elasticity, and your brain functions like mood and memory. As estrogen levels decline, women may experience changes in all of these areas. So, this is why it's really important to consider bioidentical hormone replacement if it's an option for you. Monthly fluctuations in your hormones are normal. Your hormone levels can fluctuate significantly from month to month, and this is influenced by factors like stress, diet, exercise, and even your environmental conditions. These fluctuations can impact your mood, your energy levels, and even cause physical symptoms. Number 4, women have a 28-day energetic cycle. Unlike men who typically experience a 24-hour hormonal cycle, women operate on roughly a 28-day cycle known as the infradian rhythm. Now, I did an entire video on this topic, so be sure to check that out. This cycle affects not only the reproductive system, but also other aspects of your life, like your energy level, your brain function, and your metabolism throughout the month. Okay, before we get into the final 5 facts, I'd love to pause for a second and invite you to watch the replay of a completely free masterclass that I did where I broke down the 3 proven strategies to balance your hormones. So if you're tired of feeling sluggish, out of balance, and just not yourself, this masterclass is for you. I've distilled years of research and practical application into 3 powerful strategies that address the root causes of hormonal imbalance. This masterclass is your key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you. So I'll be sure to drop the link for the replay below. Do not miss out on this chance to take the first step towards true hormonal balance. Okay, now on to the last 5 facts every woman should know. Birth control doesn't fix your symptoms. Hormonal birth control often masks symptoms of underlying issues rather than resolving them. While it can regulate your menstrual cycle and alleviate symptoms like acne or heavy periods, it doesn't address the root causes of your hormone imbalance. Number 6, your menstrual cycle is your health indicator. Your menstrual cycle is like a little window into your overall health. Changes in your cycle can be early indicators of health issues like thyroid disorders, hormonal imbalances, and other underlying health conditions. Regular cycles can often reflect good general health. Next, exercise can influence your hormones. Regular physical activity can help regulate hormones like insulin, cortisol, and your sex hormones, including estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. However, excessive exercise without adequate recovery can lead to hormonal disruptions, which in turn can affect your menstrual cycle and your overall health. Stress can directly affect your hormone balance. Chronic stress can lead to imbalances in cortisol and other hormones, which can disrupt your menstrual cycles and your overall health. Techniques like meditation, yoga, and getting adequate sleep are crucial for managing stress. Age-related hormone changes require adaptation. Our hormone levels not only change during the menstrual cycle, but also as we age. Perimenopause and menopause are significant transition periods that may require adjustments in our lifestyle, our diets, and possibly require medical intervention to manage our symptoms effectively. So, understanding and managing your hormones is key to maintaining your health and your well being throughout the different stages of our lives. These facts are crucial for navigating hormonal changes effectively. And if you enjoyed this video, check out this video where I talked about 10 surprising signs of hormone imbalance that you shouldn't ignore. And with that, we'll see you right back here next week. Ciao.